Wow, it's mail day. I got the PM Tuning PM80 Scomadi exhaust from Scooterwest, and this is the box it came in. It is a substantial shipping box. It is certainly oversized, but it got here overnight, even though I did not order it with overnight shipping specifically. But I'm here in Bishop, California, and it is in California, and Scooterwest is down in San Diego. So yeah, it was kind of nice that it came overnight. It doesn't have any this side up or anything, so I guess I will give it the old unpacky, and let's see what it looks like. I have to do this one-handed, so. Multi-tool here. Okay. There we go. Get the blade. There's a lot of packing material in there. Right, Mochi? Okay. Careful I don't throw something away that I shouldn't. Okay, I think I see it. It should be in this cardboard tube here. Okay. Alright. Well, this looks like this is it. So it's in the plastic wrap, and then this cardboard stuff. And the 360 header looks like it's kind of already connected. So I'll go unconnect this. Make sure there's nothing else. And here I need, let's see. Oh, soda cozy, okay. My invoice. Set that over here. Oh, got two of the drink cozies. I have too many of those, I guess. There's something at the bottom here. Some more packing material, I guess. More padding. Okay. All right. Okay, so just for scale, that's how big the box is. A little bigger, taller than our desk over there across the way. And I'll go back and get the knife and see if we can cut open the pipe. See what she looks like. Sit on the floor here. Try and carefully cut through this. Okay. Right there. Okay. It's hard to unroll this one-handed, but give it a shot here. Okay, there's a hole in that. But that looks like the stud for the mounting stud hanger bracket. So it's in a big plastic sealed bag. Okay. PMAX GTS SCO. Okay, so I'm going to set this camera down for a moment so that I can kind of cut through the plastic. So I have cut through the top of the bag, that was sealed, and I will now pull out the parts. I'm sure this is the brackets for mounting. Take a look at that in a sec. That looks like that is the 360-degree down tube for the O2 sensor. And I will pull out the back here. So, that is the pipe. I'm going to cut carefully through this tape here. Make sure I do that without cutting through the scratching the metal. Avoid that. Okay. So that's what that looks like. And it looks like there's a seam here, so I'll cut through that. Okay, so I cut through that tape there. And there's tape there. There's the, oh, so here's the seam. Roll this over. All right. So, from the top header pipe into the exhaust itself. It is looking beautiful. And back around to the mounting bracket here. Okay, so that's how that really mounts. There's the silencer. Removable and serviceable, so we can repack it. All right. Boy, that looks gorgeous. And that, friends, is the PM Tuning Scomadi PM80 pipe, exhaust pipe, for my 2011 GTV. Wow, can't wait to get it installed. Thanks, bye.